long-term monitoring and connection between topography and cloud cover distribution in Serbia. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the link to review the research in further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe. Cloudiness is very important for the agricultural production, distribution, and migration of fauna. This research is an attempt to show the connection between cloud lines as a meteorological phenomenon and relief on the territory of Serbia. The use of weather satellite recordings has been growing rapidly over the last 3 decades. Determining the patterns between meteorological and topographical features is an important scientific job. Cloud cover analysis and properties can be of the utmost significance for potential cloud seeding. Here, the analysis of the cloud properties was conducted by means of moderate resolution imaging spectroradiometer or MODIS satellite recordings. The resolution of used data was 1 km squared within the period of 30 years, 1989 to 2019. This research showed moderate changing of cloudiness in the territory of Serbia, with a high cloudiness in February, followed by cloudiness in January and November. For the past 3 decades, May has been the month with the most cloudiness. The regions in the east and southwest, and particularly in the west, have a high absolute cloudiness, which is connected with the high elevation of the country. By means of long-term monitoring, the whole territory of Serbia was analyzed for the first time in terms of cloudiness. Apart from the statistical and numerical results obtained, this research showed a connection between relief and clouds, especially in the winter season. Linear regression has proven this theory right, connecting high elevation sides with high absolute cloudiness throughout the year. The cloud seeding may be one of the alternatives for using water in the future. If those were the territories close to borders with other countries, precautions should be taken not to disturb the water balance. In summary, the main findings of this research play an important part in further deeper analysis of potential cloud seeding in Serbia.